Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Partypoker desktop app on your Mac device. So I'm using a MacBook here, but just go to any internet browser. In this case I'm using Google Chrome, and then on Google start typing in Partypoker, press search, and then skip past the first sponsored ads and then go to the first Partypoker organic link, this one right here, www.partypoker.com. From there, click into the link, and then on the home screen right here, there is a download here button. Press that, and then that's going to basically show the download in the recent download history section. You can see the file downloading by the progress bar completing right to the end here. And then from there, now that the installer has downloaded on this device, press this button, the Show in Finder button, and then from there, double tap on the Partypoker installer. That's going to open up this page right here. Press continue. Make sure that you read all of the terms and conditions before you accept by pressing continue. Press agree. This will take up 172.6 megabytes of space on your computer. If you're happy with that, press install. Make sure you type in your password. Installer would like to access the files in your downloads folder. Press OK. And then from there, guys, just give the app some time to download on your Mac device. I will come back once this has fully downloaded. And so guys, we can see everything is running successfully here. We're just going to give the app a lot more time to download all of the updates. It takes quite a while. So again, I will come back once all of the updates have been completed. And so guys, Partypoker has fully successfully downloaded on this Mac device. From there, it gives us the option to either sign in with our email or user ID and password to actually start playing on the Partypoker tables. If you do not actually have an account yet, you can go to the sign up button, create your account, and enjoy playing on Partypoker. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll help you out as fast as possible. Thank you.